In this course, we're going to take a close look at what it takes to fly airplanes in crosswinds. We're going to examine everything from the takeoff, how to come off the ground without getting blown sideways across the runway, to how to fly upwind of the runway, track a nice rectangular pattern around the runway complex, make our approach all the way back in, and spend a lot of time talking about the proper way to make our approach, crabbing for a crosswind, using the wing low method to side slip through the air to correct for that crosswind, all the way down to touchdown as we hold off the wheels, touchdown on the upwind wheel first. Well, in this case, it would be the right wheel first, then the left main, and then finally the nose wheel. And we'll even go ahead and take another look at some things from different angles here. Take a look at what it looks like when you have a crosswind from the left inside the cockpit, what's going on. Looking at our side view here, we get a really good picture of what's going on with our flight controls as we see the stabilator on the back of the Cherokee moving up and down, making little tiny pitch corrections, large motions, but small pitch corrections to attitude. We can see that rudder working its way back and forth as we're dancing on the rudder pedals, keeping our nose straight down the runway. Looking here as we come in, this time we've got a left crosswind, and this is our view from inside the cockpit as we're crabbing down final, eventually transitioning to the wing low method, applying right rudder, left aileron, and bring that left wing down. Rudder's controlling our yaw, and bank controls our drift left and right across the runway center line. So we come in here over those trees, we're going to transition from our crab method to the wing low method. Right here you'll see the nose come around, straighten up with the runway. We dip our left wing low, side slip through the air, and we'll touch down on the left wheel first, then the right wheel, and then finally the nose wheel. As we go ahead and roll out here and get stopped, go ahead and check out how to register for our course. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact us at www.srqaero.com. That's srqaero.com. And as always, fly safe.